share my experience for the first week as a foundation student. So I felt really excited when I met new friends and explored the campus. It was interesting to see the facilities and experience a new learning environment. However, I was quite anxious because I was not familiar with the class schedule as some of the days. I was worried that I might go to the wrong class or the wrong place. But I really think that university life is much more independent than school life because students need to take responsibility for themselves.
So actually, I feel the same way as you. The campus can be confusing at first. For me, I felt relief when I found out the lecturers were friendly and very approachable. They explained things clearly and encouraged us to ask questions. On the other hand, I felt a bit overwhelmed because there was a lot of information to remember during orientation. In my opinion, university life requires students to be more organized and responsible.
That sounds tough. But I understand how you feel, Hannah. During my first week, I felt proud when I managed to attend all my classes without getting lost. It made me feel more confident. However, I felt confused because there were many new online systems and platforms that I had never used before. So what I realized was that university life encourages students to become independent learners.
I know everything honestly. I also found some of the difficult at first. I felt happy when I participated in orientation and met my new classmates. It was fun meeting people from different places. However, I was a bit nervous because everything was new and unfamiliar to me. I think that university life provides many opportunities for students to develop both academic and personality.
Yes, that's right, Andre. And for me, after experiencing the first week, I felt more confident because I started becoming familiar with the campus and my daily schedule. The support from my friends also helped me adjust more quickly. And what I realized was that asking for help is completely normal when we are adapting to a new environment. In my opinion, making friends early can make the university experience less stressful.
You know what, Shu? I think we are the same because I always feel the same as you. So having supportive friends makes a big difference. As the week went on, I felt less overwhelmed because I started using a planner to keep track of my assignment and classes. It made me feel more organized and prepared. I think that good time management is one of the most important skills for university students like us. So what I realized was that planning ahead helped reduce unnecessary stress.
I feel you, Hannah. I know exactly how you feel because staying organized really helps a lot. For me, after learning how to use online learning programs, I felt relieved because I could access lecture notes and also submit assignments more easily. I also become more comfortable asking questions when I was unsure about the task. So in my opinion, university life is not only about study, but it's also about learning how to solve problems independently.
Felt the same way. The first week was really tough to me. Looking back, I felt proud that I stepped out of my comfort zone and talked to the new people. At first, I was nervous, but right now I feel more comfortable in class. What I realized in university, it takes time and it's okay not to think that being open to new experiences helps students to grow and be more confident.
Yes. So thank you everyone for sharing your experiences. It seems that we all face different challenges in our first week, but we also learn many valuable lessons. So hopefully as we continue our foundation studies, we will become even more confident and successful in university life. So bye bye guys.
Bye.